what to expect from Black Panther: Wakanda Forever. Following the death of Black Panther hero Chadwick Boseman after a secret battle with cancer, the sequel to Black Panther 2: Wakanda Forever was cast and doubt. However, it turns out Marvel decided to move on and they just finished filming. Here's what we know about Black Panther: Wakanda Forever. In a trailer showcasing the MCU's upcoming film, Marvel confirmed the sequel to Black Panther would be officially called Black Panther: Wakanda Forever. The title originates from the now iconic Wakanda Forever phrase, uttered by anyone linked with the fictitious African nations in the MCU. The usage of the battle cry as the film's title might be foreshadowing of the conflict that the country will face in the sequel. It might also be a play on Wakanda's history and heritage. So what do we know about the sequel storyline? Director Ryan Coogler and Marvel have decided to keep the information for Black Panther 2 a secret. During their Investor Day in December last year, Disney said that the film would continue to explore the extraordinary world of Wakanda in all of the rich and varied characters that were introduced in the first Black Panther film. As fans are aware, the mantle Black Panther is handed down through the generations. In the comics, T'Challa's sister Shuri becomes Black Panther and Queen of Wakanda. Thus, her journey is undoubtedly a possibility for the sequel's narrative. The speculative inclusions of Namor and his undersea land of Atlantis has led to speculations that the sequel may concentrate around the conflict between Wakanda and Atlantis. This was also hinted at the Avengers Endgame. A significant chunk of the plot will also revolve around T'Challa's absence, with the sequel perhaps clarifying that the King of Wakanda died in between the films. It's kind of a mystery right now, but more information will be revealed in the coming months. The movie is set to release in November 2022. In November 2021, Marvel announced shooting was halted during January 2022, allowing Letitia Wright to rest and heal from the onset injury. Wright suffered a shoulder fracture and a concussion with serious complications in the accident, which occurred during a stunt in August 2021. Marvel had therefore extended the release date to November 2022. It's the latest in a string of postponements, with Thor: Love and Thunder resuming its original July 8, 2022 release date. The Marvels will now release in 2023. The movie will most certainly open in theaters, and there is very little chance it will stream at the same time on Disney+. Marvel has also revealed that the sequel will pay tribute to Chadwick Boseman. The sequel will greatly honor Chadwick Boseman's legacy and character by not recasting the part of T'Challa. Fortunately, there are no plans to deploy a digital double in the sequel. Marvel Studios EVP Victoria Alonso explained that there is only one Black Panther, one Chadwick. He's our king and unfortunately has died in real life, not just in fiction. And we're taking a little time to see how we return to history and what we do to honor this chapter, as of what has happened to us was so unexpected, so painful, so terrible. Winston Duke said that reading the screenplay was extremely emotional and that it was very difficult to pack and return to the set. He mentioned the entire cast has become very close and somewhat of a family, grieving together. Speaking of the cast, we do know that Letitia Wright, Lupita Nyong'o, Winston Duke, Danai Gurira, Angela Bassett, and Denny Sapani will all reprise their roles: Shuri, Nakia, M'Baku, Okoye, Ramonda, and Makatu, respectively. Duke is reportedly said to be given an expanded role in the sequel, but the reports have yet to be confirmed by Marvel. While Narcos Mexico star Tenoch Huerta is in talks to play some of the villains of the sequel. It's unclear if Daniel Kaluuya will return as W'Kabi, but Martin Freeman will return as CIA agent Everett Ross. Sapani also recently teased a just amazing filming experience, giving high hopes for the final product. Will Michael B. Jordan return as Killmonger? It's unlikely given that Killmonger was killed off in the first movie, but weirder things have happened. Jordan reprised his role in What If for an alternate universe version of Killmonger. When asked in January 2022 about a potential MCU return, he remained coy about the prospect of a comeback. "It's a character in a world that I love so much," he said. Who knows? As we all know, Marvel has their plans and their things, and you know how things are gonna shake out. New to the cast is I May Destroy You star Michaela Coel, whose role has yet to be confirmed, as well as Dominique Thorne as Riri Williams, aka Ironheart. Could Riri's appearance lead to a Spider-Man crossover with Zendaya's MJ and Jacob Batalon's Ned off to MIT at the end of No Way Home? In the comics, it's where Riri attended college, and the sequel was said to have filmed at MIT. Another Marvel actor who was spotted on set was Falcon and the Winter Soldier's Anthony Mackie. However, he has confirmed that he is not in the film, but merely visiting the set. This could of course be an elaborate ruse a la the reunion of the Spider-Men. Only time will tell. Behind the scenes, Ryan Coogler is returning to write and direct Black Panther Wakanda Forever, and he's bringing back the original creative cast. The sequel Wakanda Forever will be the first time we return to Wakanda after Chadwick Boseman's death, and it will be interesting to see how audiences respond. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.